Asha is packing care kits for new families. If she packs 2 kits, 6 juice boxes are left over. If she packs 5 kits, the juice boxes fit exactly. How many juice boxes go in each kit? Pause the video. Try to figure it out. Here is a hint. Both plans pack the same total juice boxes. So, where do the leftovers go? Look at the 2 plans. Plan A uses 2 kits and has 6 left over. Plan B uses 5 kits and has none left over. The number of juice boxes does not change. Both plans pack the same total. But the plans are not the same. Plan B uses 3 more kits than Plan A. The first 2 kits match. The other 3 kits in Plan B are extra. Where do the leftover juice boxes go? In Plan B, nothing is left over. So the 6 juice boxes from Plan A must have gone into the 3 extra kits. 6 juice boxes filled 3 extra kits. So we divide. 6 juice boxes divided by 3 extra kits. Each extra kit gets 2 juice boxes. Now think about it. Every kit is the same. If each extra kit holds 2 juice boxes, every other kit holds 2 too. Plan A and Plan B agree. The answer is 2 juice boxes per kit. This is the leftover trick. When 2 plans share the same total, the leftover must fill the extra groups in the other plan. So group size equals leftover divided by gap. You will see this same idea in every excess and shortage problem. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.